It's me, I'm alive. So this is my life. We're gonna do a get ready with me for work. So let's do this. It's good to be back. I never left, but you know. All right, I'm gonna start off with this spray. It's like rose water. Delish. So I'm not even really sure what color I am right now, so I'm just using my OG Makeup Forever sticks. I use 2 different colors to get the right shade. I hope this is all right. As you can see, I have a new setup because so much has happened. I think the last time I posted a video was in April, which is crazy because I feel like that wasn't that long ago, but it really is. Because my family moved and I didn't want to move, so I moved out with one of my really good friends. And yeah, this is my room, and I'm sitting on the floor using my windowsill. I mean, I tried filming. I did film a video like a week ago, but I just didn't like it. And I wanted to do a different look today, like a look that I've been thinking about doing, but turns out I don't have time to like experiment. So this is where we're at. So yeah, okay, so I posted my video in April. In May, we find out that my dad got a job offer from these guys that he's known for however many years, whatever, but not in the same city that we live in, well, that I live in. So my dad goes to an interview early mid-May. June 1st, he's supposed to move down. The company moves him down to start work. June 15th, our house goes on the market. July 2nd, I moved out. And then by July 10th, my family was moved out. May, June, July, like, right? Like I posted that video like mid-April, like 2 weeks later, it's like, hey, we might move, but for real this time, we might move. I was like, I'm not moving. I have too much going on here, and I don't want to start all over. And there's just, I feel like for me, there's more opportunity for growth here where I'm at versus where my family's at. Where they moved, like, it's been, they love it. I mean, all my family is there now. Literally, my whole family is there all together, which is great. They're loving it. There was no fighting. I was talking to my cousins and they were like, yeah, you know, I expected my little sister, they expected her to be like angry or like not wanting to move or like, you know, nervous about moving and all this stuff, but my little sister is like probably the most excited out of everybody because she gets to go to high school and it's a really good school and she gets to dance, or she's on the dance team, and still gets to do point and stuff like that, you know, so of course she's excited. My mom used to homeschool my 4 youngest siblings, but now she only homeschools 3 of them until whenever she wants to stop. But yeah, it's been good. This whole period of like me finding a place to move out, you know, I started a new job in May. Yeah, I was hired in May. So now it's like this new schedule that I have of working 2 jobs, packing all my stuff up, packing stuff up at the house, helping the fam get ready to move. You know, so it was just a lot going on, and of course I wanted to like sit down and film, but I just like really at that point I didn't have time. Moved in here beginning of July. Took me like 2 or 3 days to like actually unpack everything, and I'm still not fully, like, I'm fully unpacked, but I still need a couple things like for my personal room. I haven't even really had time to like go makeup shopping, which is annoying. I'll get over it. This is my Laura Mercier powder. I switched up my brow products a little. Oh my gosh, last week, should I even talk about it? Last week I had pink eye. Literally so stupid. Like I said, I have this video planned, or this look planned that I want to do. And I get home from my trip, from visiting my family, and I wake up the next morning with pink eye. I'm like, are you kidding me? Like, the one time I have time to film and I have freaking pink eye, I'm not gonna come on here with like a red eye, and then I moved to this eye, and then they were both swollen and red, and it was terrible, and it lasted 8 days. But it's gone, and I'm back. My lovely bronzer. Life's been good. The new schedule, I'm still getting used to it. My skin has been giving me... There's probably a lot of factors that lead into the reasons why my skin is acting up. I think because I take acne medication. Oh, I'm just going into this Physicians Formula bronzer with a Sephora blending brush, and I'm just gonna put it in my crease. But I really think the reason why my skin is being annoying is because of like a new schedule. Well, yeah, my new schedule. So me like being stressed basically, because it's all like in my chin area. That's a sign it's like hormones. Stupid hormones. Right? Do hormones change? Am I dumb? Okay, anyways. Like, I see my dermatologist once a year, but so it's probably, I should probably call her up and be like, hey, so my skin is acting up again. Let's fix that. I want to use more organic, like skincare specifically, and then make the switch to the makeup, because the makeup is so expensive. Like, makeup is already expensive. Even at the drugstore, makeup can get expensive. And then you try and switch over to organic makeup and it's like more expensive. I guess it's competitively priced, but I swear I go in there and I'm like, wow, like $40 for this little tiny quad of cream product. I'm like, no. But I'm sure it'll get better in a couple years when there's more demand for it. I'm gonna contour my nose. My skin is like a mixture of oily and dry right now. I'm going into the black in this palette, and I'm gonna do like a wing. It's a soft wing. You know, some days are better than others. I'm using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil now in Espresso. I like how tiny it is. It really helps the brows look natural, naturally full, I should say. My birthday was in July. I'm a year older. Yeah. I'm like excited about where I'm at right now. You go, girl. But at the same time, I'm like, oh my gosh. Like, I have so much I need to work on and improve on. One thing that I've been struggling with lately, I guess. I think struggling is the right word. I guess it all just like boils down to straight up like comparison. Comparing where I'm at in my life right now to other people and like their success or their failures. It's in the Bible. Comparison is the thief of joy. But it's hard, especially nowadays. It's like everybody's so accessible now. Everybody's constantly updating you with what they're doing. But of course, it's always the good things, the wins in life. You can say all your life, like, oh, don't compare yourself to others. It's just a matter of you have to notice when you're starting to compare yourself to others and just straight up be like, you know what? Sure, this is going on and I'm not where I want to be at, but I know that I will be where I want to be at. It is what it is. Look at that brow. Like, wow. Oh my gosh. Yes, girl. It's those Latina jeans. Thanks, Mom. Thanks, Dad. Oh yeah, back to what I was saying. I'm happy with where I'm at, but I'm not like satisfied, I guess. I'm not even like content, because there's just like so much that I want to do. Like, I'm getting older, but when I talk to people, they're like, you're so young, like you're still such a baby. I'm just like, no, I'm not. I'm a freaking adult. I don't want to be an adult, but at the same time, like, thank God I'm not a kid. God, I need to fix this for sure. This is also a NYX product, the Wonder Pencil. Love it. To just like fix these little mess ups when I have them. I go back and forth between these two. This is like, this is a clear mascara that's, yeah, and by CoverGirl, and this is by NYX. This is just the eyebrow gel in clear. Brows done. Not sponsored yet. Oh, that's one other thing. We need to get a vacuum because we don't have one and my hair is everywhere. Still the same me. Hashtag never change. I hit pan in this one shadow though. I'm so sad. I don't even know what to do. Like, I'm just clueless when it comes to like good mascaras. Like, I know what I like my lashes to look like, so this is Great Lash, obviously. But like, I've never really spent money on mascaras, you know? I've never bought Benefit Roller Lash or Too Faced mascaras. I've never spent my money on those, just because, I mean, I'm used to CoverGirl mascaras and I feel like they work fine. But I was talking to one of my coworkers, she was like, girl, no, I just made the switch to Benefit Roller Lash and it's like the best thing ever. She's like, you really need to invest because they don't dry out fast and blah blah blah. And that's the thing with like drugstore mascaras, well, that I've come to find, is that they kind of dry out fast. If you know of a good mascara that's not clumpy, hit me up because I'm down. It's like dark, but I love it. As you can see, I'm tapping, not dragging. And I don't really care if it smudges outside my lip line, because it's cute. Finish it off with some NYX Butter Gloss. That's it. We're done. I'm going to post tutorials more often. I'm just still working with my schedule. I want to upload on a consistent basis, so I'm gonna have to figure it out because I do love filming these. Like, I hope y'all know. They're a lot of fun. I apologize for my absence, but I'm here and I'm healthy. You know, I'm here for you, just like you're here for me. Not giving up. Yeah, love you. I'll catch ya on the flip side. Appreciate you. And see you later.